small bite, okay? Listen, just bite it. Gentle. Gentle. Listen, just...
Where'd the dog go? Oh.
Bite it. Gentle. Listen, just bite it. Gentle.
Snack time.
Gentle. Listen, just bite it. Gentle.
You want a cat? Too bad. Lauren, you sit back.
No, you're not. No, you're not coming over here. I don't want to hear it. He's cuddling with me.
Check. Fade. Hey, check.
No.
I love you.
Say good morning.
Say, I need you to put, tell him, say, I need you to put the cat down. Please. Ask him nicely.
Check. Okay.
Ito. This is a good dog right here. This is the best dog.
Then what happened?
Come on out.
Bark. Bark.
Paw. Thanks, Jasper. No. No. What's wrong?
All right, can you say your name? Luna. That was perfect.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Okay, can you say hello? Good boy. Can you say how are you?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Hello. Say I'm beautiful.
Can you sit down and listen? No. No?
Really? Are you sad?
Can't pretend anymore.
Kaydı.
What are you saying?
Oakley, come here. Come here.
You can't control yourself any longer. I can't pretend anymore.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.
I am your mother. You listen to me. Stop.
Esse é pé o chão, esse é bonde do Brunão.
I just can't help myself. I'm acting like an animal. Now here's my scandal. I wanna get you home and double up.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost, exit my dog!
Kaydı. If you're happy and you know it, say I will.
No, pues este año va a cumplir 6.
Hey! Say, I love you. Good.
Hi, can I touch you?
Come on out.
Me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Kai. Come.
You're not getting dinner. You're bad.
Luna, can I get a wow? Good girl.
So I got me a new man. You like him?